Welcome to World Trade Insight. So let me ask you something. What if I told you that you are ignoring the single biggest investor in your life? And no, I'm not talking about some secret hedge fund or a long-lost rich uncle. I'm talking about your employer. You see, most of us treat our job like a simple ATM. A machine that just spits out cash twice a month. But that mindset, well, it's costing us a potential fortune.
Just think about this for a second. Read that quote. It's such a powerful way to reframe everything. Your job isn't just a place you go to trade your precious time for money. It's actually a strategic partnership. It's a source of capital that is ready and willing to fund your entire wealth-building journey. But, and this is a big but, only if you learn how to see it that way.
So it really boils down to two completely different mindsets. Over here on the left, you've got the ATM mindset. It's totally transactional. You punch in, you punch out, you get cash, you pay your bills. It's passive. But then you look over on the right, and this is the game changer, the venture capitalist mindset. Suddenly, your job isn't just a job anymore. It's a VC firm providing you with the capital, the seed funding to actively go out and build your own wealth. It turns your whole career into a strategic game. Okay, this is where it starts to get really, really interesting. Your employer, right now, is offering you investment terms that would make a startup founder in Silicon Valley just weep with jealousy. Seriously, they are basically a private equity firm, and you are the portfolio company that they are pouring money into. So where's the contract for this investment? Well, it's your benefits package. That's the term sheet for your partnership. But here's the crazy part. Unlike startup founders who will analyze every single clause, most of us, we just sign in on our first day without a second thought, completely skipping over the sections that are literally filled with free money and massive tax advantages. Let's talk about the most obvious example of this free money, the 401k match. This is a guaranteed, no questions asked, 100% return on your investment the very second that money hits your account. There is no other investment on planet Earth that does that. And yet, somehow, about a third of employees don't even contribute enough to get the full match. They are literally turning down a capital injection from their biggest investor. It's wild.
And then there's this little gem. This is arguably the greatest legal tax loophole in the entire American financial system, the Health Savings Account, or HSA. Now, the real pro move here isn't to use it for your doctor copays. Nope. The real strategy is to max this thing out, pay for your small medical expenses out of pocket, and let this account grow and compound for decades into what is essentially a massive, completely tax-free retirement fund.
Oh, and please don't forget about education reimbursement. This isn't just some nice little perk. It's a grant. Your company is literally offering to fund your skill development to make you a more valuable asset. And the best part? Those skills are 100% portable. You take them with you, which increases your market value for the rest of your career, no matter where you go. So once you've gone through and captured all of that free money from your benefits package, your salary itself starts to take on a brand new role. It's no longer just income for expenses. It becomes the seed fund for your real wealth-building activities, the capital for you incorporated. And the process is actually incredibly simple, but it's so powerful. First, your seed funding, your salary, comes in. Step 2, you immediately and automatically transfer a chunk of that to your investment accounts before you even see it. Then, step 3, you buy assets. And that automation, that's the secret weapon. It protects your capital from your own worst spending habits and helps you fight that enemy of wealth we all know, lifestyle inflation. Now, beyond the official term sheet, beyond the benefits package, your job offers something else. We can call it a shadow portfolio, a whole bunch of resources that you can legally and ethically leverage to build your own personal capital. And honestly, your company is practically begging you to use them. Just think of it like this: strategic resource extraction. You can master software that costs thousands of dollars a year, building a valuable skill on their dime. You can go and build your professional network at company-funded conferences. You can use that inevitable dead time between projects to research investments or learn a new skill. Heck, even your simple employment status gives you credibility with banks, unlocking the loans you might need to buy major assets. Okay, so what's the real cost of ignoring this whole mindset? Well, it's staggering. If you miss out on just about $10,000 a year in available benefits, the 401k match, the HSA contributions, the education grants, the incredible power of compounding means you could be leaving close to $1 million in wealth on the table over the course of your career. $1 million.
But the ultimate goal of all of this strategic action, it isn't just about getting rich. It's about buying yourself something far more valuable. It's about buying optionality. And that is the true freedom to choose how you live and how you work without ever being trapped by financial necessity.
And look, this isn't just some abstract theory. It's a tangible path. Year 1, you just max out all your benefits. By year 3, you've probably gotten a promotion, but you've kept your lifestyle flat, creating a huge savings gap. By year 5, you use that capital and your credibility to buy your first rental property. And by year 10, your net worth is substantial. Your assets are generating their own income, and your job is no longer a requirement, it's a choice.
And that right there, that is the final, crucial psychological flip. You're no longer working because you have to. You're working because it's a strategic choice. The work is interesting, the benefits are valuable, and the salary just keeps fueling your wealth engine. You're not really their employee anymore. They're your primary capital partner.
So the question I really want to leave you with is this. Every single day you show up to work, your employer is making you an investment offer. Are you going to take it? Thank you for watching World Trade Insight.